What's up guys? Welcome back ulit sa isang panibagong video after a long time of not uploading videos for 3 weeks at today ay maglalaro tayo ng Granny. So let us start. Natin simple lang muna, wag muna darker or extra lux. Ayoko ng music. Nightmare definitely not. Tsaka normal na lang tayo. Okay, let's start. So tawagin natin si Granny dito. Hello Granny, pumunta ka dito please. It would be very delightful to... Okay, ang bilis niya. Let's go down. Tignan natin kung may weapon key doon sa garage. Oh god. Looks like gagawa tayo ng music. Kuhanin natin to. Ayan na si Granny. Hello Granny. How are you doing? Oh my god. You're still stupidity. Padlock code. Let's go. Win chandel. Holy. May chance na makakuha tayo ng hammer neto. Oh, tawagin natin si Granny dito sa baba. Hello Granny, I am calling you over here now. Please come fast. Very fast so that shit. Bilis talaga niya. So it seems like hindi na natin kailangan gawin yung little trick. Yung little trick sa ate kasi may hammer na tayo. So punta tayo dito. I think Ayun na si Granny, let's go. Hintayin na lang natin siya and then akyat tayo doon. Malis ka dyan. Oh, shit. Oh, special key. Oh, perfect. Perfect talaga yan. Oh, mali. Yan dyan. Wheel crank. Go. Woo! Uy, nakita niya tayo. Patay. Tayo dito. Granny, halika dito. Kuha natin yung special key na yun at gawin natin yung special trick para sa spider na doon sa taas. Bilis niya maglakad. Ang bilis niya talaga maglakad. Granny. Nice. That is very great. Granite is not that fast. He is slow pace. See kung ano nandyan. Car key. Cutting pliers. Okay. Hello, little spider. Bakit to nangyayari sa akin? Kasi nakuha na natin yung lahat. Wheel crank. Drop. Ba't hindi gumagalaw? Okay, baba tayo. I guess yung last part ng shotgun is down there. Cutting pliers. Oh, pababa na siya. Cut natin to. Cut. Oh. Ay, tignan natin kung may something dun sa taas. Diyan ba siya? Oh, yep, nandyan siya. Oh god. Uy, ayan na. Patay ka, Granny. Patay ka talaga. Well, about to show you what afterlife looks like, Granny talaga. Halika dito. Oy, Granny, matulog ka muna. Oh yeah. Ano, Granny, sarap tulog. Ay, shoot natin to. Fuck. Bang. Car key, okay. That's great. Birdseed. Oh. Show. Okay, that's nice. That's great. Kuhanin natin yung libro. Nawawala. May idea ako. Back down to the ground. Know your place, man. Lucky kasi may chance na mag-spawn do yung padlock key. Kung wala, edi baka sa melon. Naglag. My God, dude. Oh my God, dude. Ka tumigil. Are you serious? Uy, ano yung position na yan, Granny? Ginagawa mo. What the heck? What the heck, dude? Anong position yan, Granny? Pagod ka na? Nice legs, dude. Ay, saan na siya? Oh God.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here.
Alright, boys. We escape. We escape. Holy. Sana guys na-enjoy na tong long video na to. Exactly 30 minutes na beat natin yung game.